Morning guys. So I've just gone over to the coop to collect the chicken eggs and I noticed a cracked duck egg. I was really gutted because this is what happened last time. Chickens were getting in, pecking at the eggs, and then Drew ended up having no live ducklings at the end of it. But then I heard cheeping noises. It wasn't a cracked egg, it was a hatched egg. Sarah has ducklings. Now I don't know how many because I thought I'd leave her be. She wasn't happy, she was hissing at me. Even more so than usual. So I've come over to the house to get some country chick crumb and some water because up until now Sarah's been able to go out and get water and food and all that when she wants to and then go back onto her eggs. But we don't want any chickens or any of the other ducks getting in there and potentially attacking the ducklings. At the same time, we don't want the ducklings wandering out and getting stuck somewhere. So we'll be putting the lid on and closing the door so they're all nice and safe until they're big enough to come out. So yeah, let's go and take them some food and water and have a little nose.